Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa Gazebo Restaurant. Here at the Gazebo Restaurant. That's my taping. And that's my nori wine in life. My Marian.
Bakit pa niya yung cake? Sila nag-dyan.
Yan, Gazebo. Nang in-order mo, Tap? Ito yung in-order mo?
Sige pa. Ito.
Ito, nanilagyo. Ayan, in-order namin is Ghost Galwati Kebab. Tapos, asa isa?
We also got this one.
And also this one. Dam Ghost Handi Korma. And
Next, this the pulao.
and the Irani Pulao. Plus, of course, roti. So, nandito na yung appetizer. Yan, may chutney. May sauce. Say hi. Happy Valentine, my Marian, my nori wine in life. That's right. Piniprepare ko lang itong salad niya is ano pala salad to eh. Ano lang? Onions na may lemon. Tapos may chutney sila. Chutney. So pickles, so mango pickles. May spicy sauce sila. Poroy verde. Pares, matamis ito mga ginagamit lang sibuyas. Pepper. Chutney. Chutney pickles yun. Let's wait for the food. Order kami ng chai nila. Kaya lang sugar free. So I don't need sugar. I will not put sugar. So let's taste it.
Now, try mo.
Fresh milk talaga.
Yan.
Sarap.
Gusto ko kaya kayo may patugtog ka niyan, ha? Lima ko pa niya natin ngayon ng mga albin. O, try mo naman. Okay, it's good.
Bago kumain, usually nagchat-chay muna. Yan ang nakaugalian namin.
Pero yun ako baligtad naman. Pagkayari na
So presentable, no? Tignan mo. Gazebo. So, gazebo. Sarap. No problem, no problem. What is this?
Lamb curry.
Ah?
Lamb curry.
Ah, this is the korma, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. Thank you. Ayun yung pinarutin na nila. So now it's complete now, no? Complete na order, no?
Yes, complete.
Okay. Can you open this?
Yung video?
Na? Just put here. I am not eating rice. Ah, okay. That's the only thing, huh? This one no sauce, huh?
No.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So, this is the korma. This is the lamb and pulao. Oops. It's boodle fight now.
Okay na. Hindi mo na yung nasi, bang kalibutin yung tinapin.
Try this.
Libutan mo yan, o pa? Pag tinapin na, itapak mo niya kayo. Kanila ko dito. May kunin ko lang.
Kumuha akong isang kabab.
Ay, yung pinggan mo.
Forma, oh. Tapos, puro na lang ako tinapay. Okay. Let's try a forma.
Sauce na, yung yogurt.
Forma.
Awan eh, talang yogurt.
Tingnan ko.
Excuse me, can we have yogurt?
Raita,
Is it
raita.
possible?
Raita, you have raita?
Yeah, like yogurt.
So, first bite.
Sino para siya?
Ba, masarap.
Yeah?
Parang butter chicken din.
Yung pa niya mamanyaman yung kain.
Look at their pulawa.
So good.
I will try their chicken ulit. Hindi ako kumain ng kanin. Okay?
Oh. Yummy.
Yaman na? Sarap?
Medyo liya standard pulawin eh.
Let's continue. Is the raita?
Yes.
Thank you.
You have chili? Kinahanap mo ang chili?
Chili, green chili?
Green chili, yeah.
Yes.
Pwede.
Is the raita. Raita is yogurt.
Mama, share tayo.
So usually yung yogurt, inahalo yan sa mga sauce. Ganda ko yung chicken. Chicken na brush niya.
Ang lambot.
Brush siya pero lambot.
Grabe.
Sarap, no?
Wow.
Yung kebab niya, see?
Lambot na yan.
Yung kebab niya, see? Lambot din. Tapos meron siyang
Sarap.
parata.
Lambot siya yan.
It's like a chutney kebab. See?
Naman.
See the kebab. Kebab.
Parata ita. Man. Lambot siya yung meat yan.
Pwede.
Lam yan.
Pwede.
Yan tinapin na. Yaman niya.
Sarap siya. Sausaw sa yogurt. See? Sausaw sa yogurt. Tapos yung... Okay. Oh, thank you. Too much. Usually, fresh chili. Huh? Pak, ganun. Pasado. Happy Valentine. May rewind. May jawo. Sa araw-araw, Valentine dinner. Sana susunod na Valentine, may madagdagan na kami.
Madagdagan na tayo?
Sana. Parang hindi na si Tap-Tap ang baby.
Ay, akala ko ang ibig sabihin ni Papa, magdadala na ako.
For me, no problem. For me, no problem.
Tingnan mo siya. Kung makikita niyo lang itsura ng nanay ko. Ma, grabe ka naman. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Tandoori roti. First bite for tandoori roti. Sarap. Sabay na chili.
Ma, ang sarap pala nun. Lambot lang.
Lagyan ko ng kebab. fine dining restaurant. So, the price is a little bit high compared to some other Indian and Pakistan restaurant, but
It's really
pass.
good.
Pass.
Actually, it's really good.